Here's another fun craft you can make using dried pressed flowers. So I'm using some wood slices. I'm just painting on a thin layer of Mod Podge, and then I'm adding my flowers and then doing another layer of Mod Podge over them to seal them to the wood slice. I had these wood slices left over from Christmas, but you can order these from Amazon. I also got my flowers from Amazon. They have a lot of different ones to choose from. Just check over the reviews. So far, all the ones that I've ordered and received have been really beautiful. So I'm making this into a garland for my fireplace mantel. So I'm taking a piece of thin twine and just feeding that through my wood slice, and I'm going to attach this to the thicker twine that I'm going to use to hang on my mantel with. And then to add a little something extra, I'm using this chiffon ribbon to tie in between all of my wood slices. I've used the same ribbon for some of my other spring crafts I've shared with y'all. I got it off of Amazon and it comes in several different colors. I plan on adding a lot of these things that I've been creating lately to my Etsy shop and kind of do like a spring collection type thing. So I've been trying to maintain the same type of style for most of these things that I've created. And when it comes to spring, I really like to go for like soft tones and more natural things. So I really love how this turned out overall. But I really hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.